Hello everyone, this is Blur Phrasal Verb Part 4, and today's word is blow away. The first meaning of blow away is to impress or amaze. For example, the breathtaking view from the mountaintop blew me away. Now, the second meaning is to destroy by explosion. For example, the demolition crew will blow away the old building tomorrow. Now, the third meaning is to win easily or to defeat decisively. For example, the team's exceptional performance allowed them to blow away their opponents. And the fourth meaning is to be carried by the wind. For example, I accidentally let go of my hat and the wind blew it away. And now the fifth meaning of blow away is to surpass expectations. For example, her outstanding presentation blew away the competition. And the last meaning is to remove dust or debris. For example, I used the leaf blower to blow away the leaves from the driveway. Okay, and now it's time to recap as usual. So let's start with the first meaning, which is impress or amaze. For example, the magician tricks really blew away the audience. And now the second meaning, which is destroy by explosion. For example, just like in action movies, they often tend to blow away the villain's hideout. Number three is win easily or defeat decisively. For example, our soccer team managed to blow away the competition with a 5-0 victory. Number four is carried by the wind. Let's say the wind was so strong and it blew away my umbrella. Number five is surpass expectations. Let's say her singing talent can blow away anyone who hears it. And the last meaning is to remove dust or debris. It's British and American. So, for example, I used the fan to blow away the dust from my bookshelf. Thank you guys. And this was everything. Follow for more.